Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. My name is Raju Kumar from Aeronautical Department, final year students. So today I came here to give you some tips and tricks because when you are finishing your degree, you will go for your job and for your business also. So I'm giving to you one things. Which year you are, guys? Third year. See, third year you are, and we can say, I can say to you, all of us do not have equal talent. Maybe, but all of us, you have a equal opportunity to show your talent. So that things we have to focus. Don't consider I am not talented person. I am not a very big person. If you focus and grabbing the opportunity, it's your hand. How you are opportunity the grab the opportunity. So now I am going to talk about how many people want to get job. So everyone else, maybe some people want to get start the business, but for everywhere we have to think about group discussions. Why? If you are going to any company or getting a job, so there is very important key. First, you have to crack a group discussion. Why they are asking to do group discussions? They check you how much you have a capability to talk with people, how you are connecting the people, how you are talking with people, and they check you also body language. So these things there we can save that. Now I'm going to what are the things we have to group discussions is very important. What are the things we have to do and we don't have to do? If you are don't know anything, just you are going there and you speak these things, what will happen? First step you will be rejected. So these things you have to focus. And also if you are know the where we have to speak and where we don't have to speak, these things if you focus, definitely you are the first person, you are selected there. So first what we have to do, while the doing group discussions, just we have to listen everyone. Why? Listen. If you listen, if you don't know anything, you will get so many idea, so many words, sentence. It will help you to speak in last time when you listen that word and that sentence. And also, if you listen to other people, they are very interested. See, I'm going giving to you one example. People they are don't want to listen. His friend and his mother and father also, because if you are talking with your friend and with your mother and father, you are speaking very important things, but she is not taking it serious. What do you think that? Is he is not interested? She is not interested, but I am speaking. You feel like a hurt. That's why I'm telling to you. If you are going to just listen. Listen is also a skill. If you have these things, definitely you will lots of idea you will get. Now, second thing, what we have to do, maintain eye contact with a group members. Why? I'm telling you why. If you are maintaining one person's like I'm connecting with only to you. What the people they say, what the that side they are coming for listening a story. No, we are coming from a group discussion. We have to listen everywhere. We have to maintain eye contact. If you are feeling like a shy, how can I contact with the eye contact with the girl, with boy? Just what you do, just you like move your head like this, like this. Don't need to like do these things. Oh, okay, like this. Just okay, move your hand left to right, left to right. This so that you are listening and you are maintaining the eye contact to everyone. This is also important. Now, give the other time to speak. Don't only you speak there. People also came here to speak there. Am I right or not? Everyone come here to get a job, speak there. So if I speak, I will also get job. But if you are not giving to chance, what is that? You are only one fellow, you are speaking there. So what about you are not thinking about that? But if you are giving the chance to others, it's so that you have a leadership quality. You are thinking the other people also. But if you are thinking other people, they will feel like, oh my God, he's supporting me also. In anywhere, not any group discussion, in everywhere. If you are giving the chance to other, your friend, your brother, your sisters, it will show like that you are have a good leadership quality. And also, key potential disargument point. Apply. If the person disagree with you, just you can say, don't say I don't agree with you. Just you can say like that. I'm agree with you. Politely word. Don't say loudly. Say just I'm agree with you, but I want to add more point. I want to add more point in my opinion. I want to share that. Don't say you are wrong, you are right. No, I'm not. You are right, you are wrong. Don't say like this. Just you say, okay, you are right. I have more point. I would like to add my more points. Some words and some sentence are there. These things you have to don't say like that. But if we say that, if you say these things like, means if the group panel member, those who are taking group discussions, they think like that. What is there is debate. It's a group discussion. Share your opinion, not a fighting. Fighting is not like this. Fighting with word in debate. But in group discussions, you share your opinion, thought. What are the thought are there? Okay. Now, dress professionally is also important. If you are not aware, it is. If you, have you ever seen like the people they wear like a wear t-shirt and pant in group discussions? No. Why? In dressing sense is very important for everyone. If you are neat and clean their dress, the people will attract you. Whatever you are saying that, your people will attract you. The word is not there, but while the dressing sense, people will attract you to listen what you are saying. Huh? If you are not knowledgeable persons, but you have a good dressing sense, you judge while the looking at he has a good quality, he has a good leadership, he has a good knowledge. You judge before you speaking that he has something they have something knowledge based on dress. I mean also we have seen also in marriage function and the people are different types of way, but one persons are very unique in there. Who do you know? Bride. See, dressing sense is compared to all people different. So likewise, you can attract them everyone. Give attention to everyone. If you wear like a formal dress, everyone attracting to you. Don't wear like this a normal dress where we are, but we are wearing in hostel in home. We are going for get a job. So yeah, we are going to get start a business. In business, if you are leader, and all guys they wear good dress. I am not wearing like a half pant and t-shirt. What they think about me? Even my leader is not wearing good professionals. How can I be? They feel also demotivated. So this is also important. You have to think about that also. Now, support your client. Whatever you are just speaking, and just you also support them. And whatever the topic is given, just you are in that favor. Don't go there to there. Just only one. The topic is given: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Talk only love marriage. You are in favor in love. You can talk love. You are in favor in arrange. You talk in only arranged marriage. But some people what they do? They are going for both. This is not good. You should be only one place. Okay. Now, welcome to counter argument point. If somebody will counter you, already told that somebody counter you, thus you can say, welcome, I respect your word and sentence, whatever you are telling that, but I would like to add my own opinion. That's why welcome, give them respect. Don't argue with. No, if you are saying that I'm saying that technology is now is what is it? Technology more addictive for me. Some people are agree, some people are not agree because of technology we are talking, we are speaking, we are talking with mother and father in video call. We are using now so many technology. Some people are say that because of technology our mind is going to destroy. Because of technology I am wasting my more times. So it depends on the persons how they are using the technology. So we cannot argue with. We can just yes you are I right, but I would like to add more point. Okay, now prepare for the discussions. Why? If I give you example, read a book, how to drive a bike and car. Read all these things, how to class, we are brake. I'll give to you a study, go and drive the car. It is possible to drive? No. You don't have experience. Don't have experience. You go somewhere accident. You go somewhere you will do accident. So before the practice, before the doing group discussions, we have to focus also there. If we do, if you prepare that already studying, you will get more idea, more sentence. You have a lots of idea while they are while you are going to present there that time. But if you don't study anything, whatever you are, the topic is given. But what will happen? You don't have any idea what have to speak, what would have to speak. You don't speak. You even did not open your mouth. These things. Prepare means why I'm telling to you. I'm giving to you one example also. The sir teaching you any subject, any subject, but that subject already needs some content, some ideas. Overview you have seen. While the speaking and while the teaching, sir, you understand more than teacher. Whatever the sir teaching you, you understand more 200 times, 300 times. Why? Because you have already overview. Because yes, sir, you are right. If that time you open, yes, sir, I know that questions. Yes, sir, I know that questions. But if you not study, you not prepare the, already, so whatever the sir will teach you and tell you, yes, maybe right, maybe wrong. But if you already study, whatever the subject is there, you know the some ideas. That's why I'm telling to you before the going to any group discussions, just you have to focus little bit overview. What are the things? Not mug up the sentence. Just little bit focus. What are the things there? Where it is? Just give track with a real example. A real example. Don't mug up all these things. And also, now acknowledge the other before you speaking. Some people are speaking there. What you have to do after the speaking, you have to give respect. Yeah, you are speaking very good. Then after that, you can start your word and sentence. Whatever is there, whatever you thought is there. Appreciate them. What you are wow, you have speaking great point. And also now, initiate the conversation. Why? Initiate the conversation. If you prepare the whatever the topic is given, you always be a start. Yeah, I know everything. You feel so like that you have good leadership quality. You have already studied there. But if you are not study anything already, so how can you start the first time? So you just listen everyone. Then after that you will start the conversation. But if you already study, then you are the first person to start, and you are the first person you can summarize all these things. The group member they think that about you. Think about it. You are know everything. They just catch you because you are speaking very good, and you say that and you summarize that also. These things we have to focus, and also plan your entry point. While in a group there are 10 members are there, I'm consider only 10 members. So if you study everything and whatever the topic is given, you have lots of points. So wait for the time, a right time to speak. After the so many people are studying, so many people, some people are doing conversation like talking 2 and 3 times. Even some people they didn't even open mouth. So we have to give everyone chance and right time to wait to speak and say your second opinion, third opinion, fourth opinion. It's right time to not interact between the there. Just listen carefully, and after the listens, you will start your conversation. Okay, now. Okay. But plan your exist point. I told you that. Plan your exist point. Exist means summarize that whatever the people there are two types of exist points. If the individual said do summarize, do conclusion, individual you should speak there within the 30 minutes. Maybe 30 and more than 30. Not more than 1 minute. Okay. Just individual they give you summarize that you can summarize. But if you say that conclude anyone, you should speak more than 1 minute. These things, if you do, definitely, yeah, they think that you covered all the participants, and they give the correct summary. And also, take notes. Why I'm telling to you, take notes. If you don't know anything, right? Somebody speak, you can write the word and sentence, and after that, in last times, you can all the word and sentence merge and make new sentence and simple idea. So there we have to speak open mouth. If the topic is unfamiliar, you don't know anything. Even I don't know anything. What I do, I just listen everyone, and then after that I write some word and sentence. Oh, these are the things which is important, and these words are related to in their word. Somebody you know already. So that word is making simple idea, and that idea you can speak there. So people say, "Huh, he's speaking there. He has spoken there." So these things we have to focus, and also ask for clarification. If you don't understand their what they say, just say, "Excuse me, pardon. Can you tell me again?" Could you tell me again? They think that yeah, he's very listening. is a very good listener. They think that they're interested in speaking. They're interested to tell you again. Yeah, I told these things. I told this. They'll tell you. But if you don't understand, just keep in your mind, you did not get any idea what they just spoke there. Also, so the confidence also. See that is very important. If you don't know anything, but you have a confidence, you can. It doesn't matter you are speaking right and wrong. It doesn't matter. But if you have confidence, definitely in coming future time, and definitely will get while they're studying, you'll get more idea and more their things. But if you don't have confidence, even you have seen your classmate and in my classmate also, final year students also, they are very intelligent. They have got 9.9 CCP. But if you say give introduction, give your whole introduction, they are not able to give the introduction. Am I right or not? Maybe there. Marks it doesn't matter. If you have confidence, going to speak whatever have a knowledge and whatever you deliver that knowledge, so that you are knowledgeable person. Whatever is there, but you got too much marks, that marks is no use. What is your decision? So we have to focus there also.